So we have with us Mr. Suresh Lakshmikant, who's the Chief Business Officer at Natural Remedies. Sir, thank you so much for being here with us on the sidelines of Most Trusted Brands of India 2024. How are you feeling today?
Thank you for having us. We are excited to be here.
Lovely. So I wanted to pick your brain a little bit, talk to you a little bit about innovation, because off camera, we were talking a little bit about how innovation matters so much to your company, particularly in the B2B space. Talk to us a little bit about that.
See, we are in a B2B industry where we develop a product ingredient for our customers both in India and abroad. So we developed Ayurvedic, a herbal ingredient,
Right.
which is clinically tested and scientifically proven. And we take that ingredient to the international market. So for us, it is very important to have a customer-centric branding. When we talk about branding, it is not that we are selling a commodity. The product should solve a problem for a customer. Customer should feel the experiential results when they buy our product.
Right.
So it is important that we focus on science, clinical trials, and the product should solve customer's problem. This is our main focus when we talk about branding and product development. And then communicating that story in a very authentic and transparent way to the customers. See, when a customer buys our product, first time, yes, they will buy because we are friends.
Right.
But then second and third and fourth time, they will not buy if they don't feel the product offering them a result.
Right.
So it's very important that we stay transparent and we stay true and authentic manner. We communicate to them the real story. And while doing this, we should continue to embrace technology in the digital space.
Right.
Why? Because in the technology, there's a continuous feedback loop. So we communicate a story to the customer, and then they listen to our story and they give feedback to us
Right.
in a direct, indirect way. And we listen and see their feedback. And then this becomes a generative marketing for us.
When you say generative, you're talking about a kind of flywheel that is self-perpetuating.
It's perpetuate, yes. So it continues to be in the loop.
Okay.
So we listen to them, we improve our communication, we edit our messaging story,
Right.
and then we take that story to the customer. And also we listen to them on what other problems they are going through. And then we try to see how we can build science to solve their problem. For example, we have a product like Holixer. Holixer
Alright.
is a holy basil, tulsi-based extract that helps in reducing your stress,
Alright.
keeping you calm, and stay asleep over a long period of time throughout the night. And part of the clinical trial in the Holixer also shows it helps in reducing your hair fall. So that's a
Lovely.
feedback that has come from the customer. Why?
Okay.
Because a particular steroid like hair cortisol level comes down when people taking the clinical trial results have shown.
All right.
And then people are experiencing that. And then so that is a
That's
feedback loop we got from our customers. And then we are going back to study how this is affecting, solving the problem for the customers.
Right.
Similarly, we have products like Bacomine. Bacomine is a Brahmi, Bacopa based extract for improvement in your memory and cognition,
Got it.
particularly for ADHD and senior citizens and young children who needs memory. And we have a gut guard for bloating, belching, and gut health problems.
Alright.
So all this, the evolution of the product, evolution of the science, we listen to our customer, we hear their feedback, and then go back and work and to make it better each time.
So essentially, science-based natural remedies
Correct.
made for people with stories told for people,
Correct.
in a sense.
And the product should deliver results. They should experience the results. If they don't experience the results, and they will not.
Because that's what it comes down to at the end of the day.
Correct. And by doing this, you become a thought leader in the industry.
Yes, that's
Because
vital.
when you solve people's problem, when you become a pioneer in the industry, your customers will come back. The market will look at you as a thought leader, as an industry opinion leader.
Right.
And then you continue to build on that for your branding and your positioning.
Got it. Chalo, lovely having you here with us, Mr. Lakshmikant. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the evening.
Oh, thank you so much. Pleasure meeting.
Lovely chatting.
Thank you.